Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple honey mustard salad dressing. Now I have the recipe below in the description box, and when I make up salad dressings like this I prefer to make up only just enough for one serving at a time, but you can always increase this, and so the recipe is below and I'll blow it up. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and I like to start with that because it helps to oil up the measuring spoon and make things easier. Okay, and then we want 1 tablespoon of vinegar of your choice. You could use apple cider vinegar. I have white wine vinegar here. You could use lemon juice as well, whatever you choose. Okay, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And now I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of prepared Dijon mustard. The recipe calls, as I wrote it, calls for 1 tablespoon of honey. If you want a less sweet version, you could go with half a tablespoon of honey. Alright, I'm just using that half a tablespoon of honey. By putting the oil in the measuring spoon first, you see that honey just kind of slid right on out of there. And so did the mustard, and that makes it really an advantage there, a lot easier to deal with. And then all you need to do is just stir it up really well. We know that oil and vinegar does not blend very well, so just stir it up the best you can. Add it to your salad, toss it good, and it will be good to go. I hope this helps. Bye for now.